Good morning, fam. The morning is calm. The light just starting to pour in. And it's the perfect time to wake up our bodies with a few gentle stretches. In just 5 minutes, we're going to release tension, boost flexibility, and bring fresh energy into every muscle. Let's take a deep breath together and hit the mat. Start by standing tall, feeling your feet rooted into the ground, and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, fold forward from your hips, reaching down toward your toes. Let your hands gently sweep side to side across your feet, loosening your hamstrings and lower back. Continue this movement for 1 minute. Each sweep, releasing tension and waking up your muscles. Imagine the morning air filling your lungs, freshening up your body for the day. Lower yourself down onto the mat, beginning in child's pose. Arms reaching forward and forehead resting on the mat. Inhale deeply, then glide forward into cobra stretch, lifting your chest toward the sky and opening up through your back and shoulders. For 1 minute, continue this dynamic stretch. Each time you return to child's pose, feel grounded, and each lift into cobra fills you with warmth, like drawing in the morning sun. Let each movement bring energy to your spine. Come to a seated position with the legs crossed comfortably. Reach your right arm up and lean over to the left, feeling a gentle stretch along your right side. Breathe into this openness, letting it stretch out any tightness in your ribs and waist. Switch sides, reaching your left arm up and leaning over to the right, creating space and flexibility along your torso for the day ahead. Each side bend is like waking up, creating space and flexibility along your torso for the day ahead. Move on to all fours, hands under your shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone for cow stretch. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin for cat stretch. Feel each vertebrae moving, releasing any tightness along your back. Continue this movement for 1 minute, letting each breath bring flexibility to your spine, helping you feel loose and ready. While seated, extend your arms out, add gentle rolls, alternating directions to loosen any tightness. For 1 minute, let each stretch relax your wrists, preparing your hands and arms for the day ahead. Great work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've energized your body, released tension, and set yourself up for a fresh and strong start. To keep this momentum, check out another stretch, a quick workout, or a meditation to stay centered. Let's start this day with purpose, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's go!